Again, I'm not going to stand on there because I'm not vertically challenged, and I'm shaking. I was going to talk about, like the PCR tests, but you know what? Everybody knows about this scam. It's not really hidden. Anybody that has critical thinking, that can think, understands what's going on. They understand that a mask, a piece of cloth over your face, is not going to prevent it's a particle that they are saying. I don't even believe that there is a virus. I believe that there's just a faulty PCR test. But they are saying that if there is one, it's 0.125 microns. Do you know how impossibly small that is? That's getting down to atomic size. So you're putting a mask on your face made out of cloth to stop, that's like putting a chain link fence around your yard to stop mosquitoes. It makes absolutely no sense. Everybody knows this. I don't know how people are not seeing this, but I do know that things have to change. And they change by us doing things like this, by us getting together, by rallying together, by coming together and just saying, you know what? We see the truth and we understand our rights. And we are not going to let people trample our rights. If you see the news, one thing that is rampant, not just in Canada, but all over the world, and that is police that are enforcing things that are not actually laws, right? They're acting, when they do that, they're acting outside of their lawful authority. And when an officer acts outside their lawful authority, they are not protected in the same way that if they were doing their job. That means you can take them to civil court. So a good thing to do would be always to roll your camera, right? And let them know that they are acting outside of their lawful authority. Because if you don't suspect that I'm breaking a law, you're harassing me. What, am I under arrest? Right? Because this is not a law. This mask thing, that's not a law. Show me the law. If you're harassing me outside of your lawful authority, you're open to civil litigation as an individual. And as a cop, you have to give me your name and your badge number. Can you give me your name and your badge number? Okay, now I know the person. And if they go ahead and they act, they are knowingly violating, acting, they're knowingly breaking the law, knowingly doing that. You might as well just give me your house, right? You might as well just give me your house at this point, because I got you. You know the law, and you use the law to fight the lawless. And that's what they are. They're lawless. The politicians, when police are not following law, when they're not enforcing law, and they're following political directives, by definition, do you know what that is? That's called a police state. Is Canada now a police state? Is that what this country is? Because if so, they better come out and declare it, right? They haven't done that, but yet they're acting like it is a police state. Police cannot act on direct counsel from a politician. They can't. It is against their law, it's against the police statute, it's against everything. And knowledge is power. And that is how we rise above this. We fight the lawless with law, right? That's why I brought today Charter of Rights and Freedom. Know it. The Bill of Rights. Read it. Educate yourself. Know your rights, right? And then don't be afraid to stand up. And don't be afraid you don't have to be belligerent. If somebody's greeting you with aggression, you don't have to respond with aggression, and you don't have to be belligerent. Respond with facts. Respond with law. Respond with your rights and knowledge. And watch how quickly because they don't know how to respond, right? So that's the secret to doing this successfully, right? Is to empower yourself and to know what it is that you're talking about, and you know what? If you're here and you're not wearing a mask, you're a smart person. You get it, right? You got what's going on.
Hey! Very good.